perhaps for today. So let's kind of get to the 8 hour quickly here. Well, let's just start with the daily. So we had this inside bar off a level on the daily, and our level's not 100% clear, but let's just put it like that. Look up roughly where price is at the moment, and you can see what I'm doing. I'm just lining up with the daily fractals here to the left, and we've gapped down this morning. So I think the critical aspect here is what looked like a double bottom is probably going to turn out to be consolidation at the moment. So for me at the moment, I think we'll wait for Europe to see what happens, but a break below this area here of 25,131, break and a retest, that gives us the continuation of this move to the downside. And that, at face value, would be the most logical direction for this thing right now. If we look at, and that's just from a price action perspective, okay? In other words, we've had a very strong move to the downside. Then we've had this little bounce, but have a look onto the moving averages. We're still below the moving average. And now we are just ranging in the Asian session, which is typical of the Asian session. We've gapped down. I would be very worried if I was long right now. I'd be taking profit. I wouldn't be holding any long. So if I still had any kind of vision that this trend was going to continue, I think what I'm looking at right now in the pre-market would get me worried. Okay, so yeah, I'm still concerned because this is tails to the downside, tails to the upside, so it's still very confusing. There's no clear direction of what's transpiring. So I'm waiting and waiting patiently. If this level goes, which looks like it is going to go, let me just adjust it to the previous lows here. So if this area of 25,077 goes, I want to see a retest of it, flip it into resistance. In other words, get below it, come back up, and then turn and start moving down. That would be a short. Okay. Looking at it right now, it does look like we are going to continue to the downside. But, as I said on the weekend, these markets are not designed to fall. They're designed to go up. So I will take it with a pinch of salt right now. Okay. So, I think those are the two lines in the sand. If we get above 25,945, get above, come back, find support here, that will get me long again. And I think if we get below 25,077, come back and test it and start turning, that's going to get me short. I think that's pretty much the two scenarios that I see at the moment. And until one of those two levels breaks, I'm sitting still. So again, levels to the upside, 25,945. Levels to the downside is 25,077. And remember, I'm not just looking for the break. I want the retest of that area. If you don't get the retest, I'll wait for the next area to be retested. It's not the end of the world, but that is the structure I'm looking for. I do not want to be trading this upwards and downwards or sideways motion that's in play at the moment. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for the Dow. Short and sweet. That's pretty clear as to what we need to do. There's no ifs or buts about it. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.